More than pretty. You're more than a pretty bird. Yeah, you're more than pretty. I think I love you. Hello? No? Oh. Do you love me? No? Do you like me? No. Where are we going with this? Where are we going? Well, would you like to go on a date? No. I don't think this bird likes me. Hello? What's your name? What's your name? You stand so pretty. No, you're not pretty. Are you handsome? I'm talking to the bird. Oh. This is Joby. Do you love Joby? I asked if it loved me. It should know. It doesn't love you either? Who do you love?
You love my mama? Oh.
You don't love us. Do you love other birds? No.
Oh. Do you love anybody? No.
Oh, do you want to go home with me?
Oh.
Would you like to go home with me? Yes. Oh my goodness. So you don't want to go on a date and you don't love me, but you want to go home with me. You are a show-off bird. A show bird? You're a show bird. Would you like to go home with me? Now I'm being ignored again. Look at that beautiful wing. Can I see your wing? Oh, hello. Okay, well, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I'm gonna go home now. Did you want to go home with me? No. It's nice meeting you. Bye-bye. Thanks for the chat.